Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to switch or change your Gmail account in Google Play Store. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, make sure you switch to the new email that you want to change into. Then here, click on accept. Welcome to Google Play. What you need to do right here is to simply click on Get Started. Level up your experience, click on I'm in. Now you have successfully switched your Gmail or Google account in your Play Store. So if you want to switch back to your previous Google account, simply tap on this particular icon right here. And you have options right here. Click on here again, and then you have another account. You can simply switch back to other account right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.